Hey everybody, today's video will be a mail call tool haul. I gotta catch up on some of my mail call. So sit back, relax, and check out who sent stuff. So first sticker that comes from Necromancer. I'll share a link. Junkyard Necromancer. Badass sticker. Next comes from Dale. Dale, thank you. Oh, sorry. That's awesome. Check them out. Next is from James, the Shed Shop. James is a cool guy. Check him out. And from our good friend George at Uwannawatch, sent a sticker. So I'm up to date on my sticker exchanges. I'll be sending out correspondence shortly, but here's where we are. And then from Magdad and Chuck, we got the 6-inch Bonney slip joint pliers. We've got an 1170 Bonney wrench. (1167A) Bonney. An 1168 Bonney. And finally, an 1167 Bonney. The 1167 is 7/8. 1167A is the 13/16. The A means they kind of went up or down a size from 14/16 or 7/8. But during their category, or when they first made them, they did not have a need for this size. So that's why the A. It is something that got slipped into the middle between 1167 and 1165. Or 1166, sorry. And again, thank you for the official Chuck Fan Club Magnetic sticker. And Mr. Vic, I do not have a pair of these in the Bonney. Oh my wow. Let me see if I can get it up closer. B21 Bonney snap ring pliers. Or I'll look them up. I don't have any of these. Next up, we got this roll of cold chisels. Ooh, and that's I'll have to clean that up, but that's a drift punch. I use these a lot. So that's awesome. Buffalo, Japan. Cool. we've got ourselves a little Bonney 727. So cool. I'm looking at this and I'm like, couldn't figure out what it was. I had to take it out. Mr. Yosemite Sam. If you ever seen my Yosemite Sam on my whatchamacallit wheel, on my wire wheel, yep, I like the Yosemite Sam. That's cool. I've got this weird package. I know what it is, but I won't say who's gonna get it next. A really cool little, I want to say it's a Vaco, but they've got the pull apart tools. I have a small collection of these. These are awesome. So, Vic, that's cool. A Barklow Buffalo. This is cool. I love this. That'll clean up really nice. Got another Bonney. Ooh, Bonney. Cool. A Pratt and Whitney. For the Bonney Pratt and Whitney collection. I don't have one of these yet. So I do now. Mr. Vic, you're a legend. You are a legend. Again. Ooh, a little Velchek. That's cool. Bonney, which is Bonney. That's awesome. I'm going to throw that right there. Got an Industrial Super. I have I'm building a small little set of Industrial. Apex, Dayton, Ohio. Used to find a lot of these at the factories. Ooh, a 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter Apex. That's cool. And a Chrome NB New Britain. That's cool. 11/16. So right here, Bonney VL, the VL long, V is the 1/4 inch. Oh wait, it's a 1/4 inch. That's cool. And we've got the Bonney 1/4 inch drive VU10, which is probably 10 millimeter. So I don't have one of these. So you rock, Vic. Vic, you are the legend. Well, thanks again to everybody that sent in stickers, and definitely thanks to Chuck and Magdad and Mr. Big Vic. He rocks, and everybody else. Rock on, man, rock on. So until next time, check you later.